Good morning children, welcome to today's session. This is Kalpana working as JL Zoology in COE GV Gudam, Nalgonda district. In today's session we are going to learn about the term micturition and the composition of urine children. Coming to micturition children, the process of passing out urine is known as micturition. As you already know, urine is prepared by the nephrons, which are the basic structural and functional units of the kidney. The prepared urine is stored in bladder known as urinary bladder, and urinary bladder temporarily stores the urine. Whenever urine is filled up in the urinary bladder, the walls of the urinary bladder are going to be stretched. The stretch receptors which are present in the urinary bladder wall are going to sense the stretching. They are going to sense the stretching, and these receptors which are known as stretch receptors which are present in the walls of the urinary bladder are sending signals to central nervous system. In turn, central nervous system is sending motor signals to the smooth muscles which are present in the walls of the urinary bladder, so that the smooth muscles which are present in the walls are going to be contract. At the same time, the relaxation of urethral sphincter also occurs, due to which urethra is going to be open, so that the urine which is present in the urinary bladder is going to be passed out, and it is a voluntary action, and this whole neural mechanism is known as micturition reflex, and And coming to urine composition, and healthy individual can excrete approximately 1 to 1.5 liters of urine per day, and if you take the color of the urine, it is lightly yellow colored or straw colored liquid, and it has a characteristic odor, that means it has a characteristic smell. And coming to the composition of the urine, it consists of 96% water and 2% urea, whereas the remaining 2% is constituted by dissolved substances or dissolved ions. If you take a healthy individual, he can excrete approximately 25 to 30 grams of urea per day. That means in a day he can excrete up to 30 grams of urea. And the composition of urea and the quantity of urea can be changed, that means varied on different conditions. If you take example, if you consume lots of water, the volume of urine can increase up to 1.8 liters. That means the quantity and the composition of urine is going to be changed on the conditions. If you take or consume lots of water, the urine is going to be diluted and its volume is going to be increased. And the analysis of urine helps in diagnosing certain disorders which are related to kidneys. If you take example, in urine, the percentage or the concentration of glucose is increased, and the condition is known as glycosuria, and the percentage or the concentration of, if the percentage of the ketone bodies are going to be increased, it leads to a condition which is known as ketonuria. Glycosuria and ketonuria are observed, or these are indicating a disorder or disease which is known as diabetes mellitus. It is indicating diabetes mellitus. In next session, we are going to learn about other organs which are helpful in excretion children. Thank you children.